Hello everyone, welcome to my trading journey. Martin's here. As you remember last week, it was a bad week. Actually, I just wiped out my whole trading account. That was a live account. I started somewhere around 50 euros. We grew it to like 75, as I remember, and then actually it just, went all of a sudden to hell. It basically just really just in one moment I just lost everything. It was on this pair EuroCAD where actually I was buying around these positions, this level, and yeah, I was really hoping that this could uh, give us some sort of like a pullback before it might just retrace or go even lower. But instead of that, the price just roll over and keep pushing further in the downside. So I've started to opening more positions. I think the last one was somewhere around here at the very bottom of this move. And then it starts to just going sideways. Once we got to this point, I think that would be the best option for us to just, get out of the trade. Because as far as I remember, I was almost around break even. So if I would exit the trade here, I could probably get some small loss, but nothing really serious. But because of I was really just expecting because of the long, rejection that it might just get at least higher, so we can get some profits. I was waiting, but in the end, as you can see, it just roll over again, and then it just yeah, just dropped, definitely just dropped, and I was not able to get out of this position. I think it was exactly this part where I was not by my computer, and yeah, it sucks that I didn't have my stop loss in action, right? So I didn't really expect this one to happen, and yeah, well, because of this drop, my margin call just closed my account. Actually, I think it was I just turned on my computer when I lost several of those positions. I think there was like three still left open, but it was during me recording the video actually just closed those remaining three as well. Um, so basically, yeah, I've just lost everything. And well, currently I'm back in my demo environment, so I'm on a trading view with playing with fake money, right, on paper trading. I open an account with like 50 euros just to imitate our. Sorry. Uh, didn't sleep well this night. Yeah, so I opened a 50 euro account so that we can imitate the real account that we had, just to focus on how to trade this the same strategy, but probably with less risk, which means basically I'm not going to open as many positions, uh, probably just randomly like I did on that trade. I should probably just wait until it goes to a consolidation and then add to a losing trade. It might happen that we would get stopped out, but in this case, I don't really think so. Let's see. I already opened a new position on this demo account where we're here in a consolidation for a bit, and I was expecting that we can just go back and at least touch the trend line, which I still hope it can happen. But in the end, I think we should survive in this scenario. You see, I opened the smallest position, which is 0. Sorry, 0.01 lot size. That's the smallest amount smallest position I can open. So, and now I'm like looking for profits about 2 euros, something like that. So if I would add to a losing trade, we would still not really risking that much. We could probably get to somewhere around, I don't know, maybe 20 euro drawdown because of a huge spike. But then we would at least come back to the previous zone where I would like open the second position. So right now we would be only in a drawdown on the first one, but not on the second one. If this will proceed higher, we could actually get to some sort of profit, minimum profit, but still profit. If it will continue up, maybe even more. But now it doesn't really make sense. Well, if I would just see this one, I would probably add the third position. So we would be now on a break even and going to profit already. So I think, yeah, I definitely overtraded this trade where I put too many positions. I could uh, I could just wait until the price will go to a clear position where there will be like a slowdown, like it was over here, and then add a second position. It is, yeah, a slower process. I could earn less, but I would definitely risk less as well. So that was definitely my fault. It doesn't really matter what happened over here, although I don't really understand what happened over there, why it happened. But it doesn't make sense to find out what happened. Instead, I should just focus on what I'm doing when I'm trading, and this would not really affect me if I would, treat the trade properly. So definitely my fault, and I think, well, if I would trade live now, I think it would be still okay. But because we just wiped the account, I need to just wait a bit, prove myself that I'm actually doing, a right decision, that it was just nothing else than my actually stupidity, just to, just put that many positions, which I don't even know why I did it. Yeah, to be honest, that was crazy. Uh, I was probably looking for a quick gain and didn't really expect to see going, that the price will go against me. So yeah, it was definitely a very bad decision, a stupid idea, which I paid for, and now I really just need to double check. I, I I should be long on this one with speaking about the same strategy, right? But I was thinking about like a slow or short consolidation, really just to touch this trend line. Maybe because I see this gap over here, it was just telling me like, yeah, it still might go down, probably fill that gap and then continue maybe up, and maybe not. Maybe we're just definitely on the wrong side. Never mind. Basically, like Nick Sean says on his YouTube channel, it doesn't really matter which way you go, because the chances are like 50-50, like you would flip a coin, right? It might go either up or down. There are no other options. If it goes sideways, they still go up or down, right? And once they break out, they will go up and or down. So basically, yeah, I thought that it could still go a bit lower. No, fine, doesn't matter. If it will push higher, I will wait until we get some sort of consolidation, and then I will just add to this losing trade. I might consider to push my targets maybe somewhere closer to the first position, so that once we are on break even and then we go to profits, so this would be still a profitable trade in the end. So yeah, definitely we'll see what happened. I was also thinking on like a small time frame. You know what? I saw this this small period of like a consolidation, or I thought, okay, let's check if this will be a switch in a trend that might show that, okay, we're going to have a downtrend. So when we were, let's do it, and now it doesn't really matter. So when I was checking on this trade and it was around these two candles, I thought, okay, this looks, it might starts going down. What if we would pretend that this is a for us a downtrend? So I would open the positions over here, a position over here. I would take my stop loss just above these previous highs because it also was looking more like a head and shoulders pattern, which I don't really like patterns, to be honest. It never really worked out for me. And this one looks just the same. It didn't really work out for me again. But yeah, my thought was, okay, let's test instead of opening a position. Let's just use this tool to pretend I would open a position over here. My stop loss will be above my previous highs, and then I don't know, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, whatever, doesn't really matter. And well, at that time, actually, it was, I think I was thinking maybe on the second candle because there was like a bigger movement down. So this would be a 1, 2, 3, right? But what actually end up is just, again, it goes against and go up. So I think that I'm not really good at breakout strategies, although I know I should be waiting for breakout from this entire consolidation, which is probably something like this, or maybe even that, right? But because it went against me, this would be anyway a loss. So that's why I rather stick to my DCA trades uh, instead of these kind of strategies, because for some reason I always feel that I'm entering at a wrong place, right? Like this one, I would enter here, would put my stop loss here, and I would get knocked out, right? It would be a loss. In this case, if I take this one away, and these two as well, we don't need them anymore. You can see that it just starts making a new trend up, and then it breaks the trend. So maybe this would be a better position to enter. For example, let's try this one. Yeah, we might see. We can play around. I would enter here, stop loss above the previous highs. I don't know, one, two, what, 2.5. Let's make it 3 again. Nice number, like the number 3. Okay, so let's assume that we enter at this point when the candle was just going back for like a retracement. And now if we'll get hit there, I would definitely try to see a similar patterns in the future. But for now, I'm just, this is like a side game for me. I will play this one uh, while I'll be testing definitely my normal strategy that I'm, just focusing on. And we'll see. Maybe I will find out that these both work, or maybe one of them is better than the other. Let's try it this way. And yeah, well, I'll update you once this trade will move somewhere. I'm not going to say that it will hit our targets because it might go against us, right? I don't have a stop loss yet, because my trades, well, this would be a potential stop loss if I would use one for this type of trade, because I'm trading dollar cost averaging. I'm not having stop loss. I'm expecting it will just go down. If it will go against me, I will wait where it will stop, and then I will add another position, or really depends on how the situation will look like. I might open a double size positions, like instead of one, two, if I am expecting to see just maybe a small retracement, just maybe to get out. Um, but I don't really want to, and start too many too many uh, or open too many positions so that we don't really go to the same scenario like last week when I just screw up everything and I just lost my entire account. Yeah, well, this was just crazy. So I don't want to do the same failure again. One is enough. Although, look, I know it's not my first time because, as mentioned on my first video, I'm dealing with trading for some times already, and I'm still not profitable. And I'm pretty sure that it's just because of me doing some sort of mistakes, or I don't know. So that's the whole point why I'm doing these videos, to learn from what I'm actually doing, to see it live, see it from like a review point of view, what I did, how I was thinking, and because if I would just put it into the Excel sheet, I don't really think I would have enough data for me personally to, get a conclusion what I made wrong. So if you feel like you have an advice for me or a feedback or maybe a good idea, uh, whatever, just leave this in the comment. I would love to hear or read your ideas, your feedbacks, just to improve my skills and my trading, because I definitely want to succeed in trading. And yeah, I will update you once this one will be, yeah, somewhere else, either in profits or maybe in a higher loss, and then we will see what we'll do next, right? So just stay with me and I'll be right back, okay? All right, so I'm back. As you can see, basically, yeah, the price is going against us. So this strategy also is probably, well, it could work. We'll have to test this multiple times. But for now, it's not really relevant for us anymore. Basically, we just shoot up. So what will we do next is I will wait until the movement stops or slow down. Once I will see any yeah slowdown of this rising trend, I will add a second position. Basically, let's see. Okay, yeah, it could be that it will just shoot back down. So, but it's better to really wait for some sort of consolidation instead of just entering randomly. Well, on the other hand, okay, if we're not really placing 5 or 7 positions, this should be still okay. But anyway, let's maybe just have a look. How does it appear at the moment? Well, there was something. There might be a slowdown. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's enter a sell at this point as well. So this is somewhere in the middle. So this would be our break even. So I will push my take profits closer to around, but sorry, around these lows here, in here. So currently we should get a profit of 3 euros 16 if we will be able to get down here. Actually, I'll move this a bit higher just to get really a range average of the lows. Somewhere around 3 euros. Let's round it up. Okay, so we noticed, okay, so we've got first entry was over here, and now we've got our second entry over here, right? So let's maybe just do this. So this was the first entry, and then here was the second entry, right? So yeah, basically the average, then the break even is in the middle. So if we can go really down here, we're in profits. We might see if we'll be able to get at least here, anywhere here between these numbers. I might think about just closing if I will see some sort of, again, slowdown. If this will definitely go higher, I will watching it, how far it will go, and if it will go, I don't know, way up here probably, then I would add a third position. If it will just slow here somewhere up, and I probably won't add a new position. Or if I will, yeah, definitely I will then lose my take profit somewhere to these levels. Just really just get rid of as soon as possible. Like right now, the price is pushing quite fast, right? So there was not really a slowdown, although it looks so. But yeah, it was just a small. Well, on the other hand, if there is like such a spike up, I would expect to see some sort of just a pushback, like the buyers taking their profits. But this depends really. You never know what will happen. So, but yeah, that's how I'm going to trade this. I'm still going to stick with my dollar cost averaging approach. So, yeah, basically you can consider this the same. Um, I don't know if a mistake like I did over here, although there was a way more positions open. But yeah, at least okay, this is a bit different. The distance between those positions is way bigger than I had here. Like definitely there was like one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So right, too many positions. This way, it's like just two positions. So we're currently in a drawdown like €3 27, right? So if we would consider this type of move, um, it should be still in the range of our account size, and we should be able to, just survive without getting all our, not really profits wiped out, but like our whole account. So, well, okay, actually now it looks there is some sort of a push down, push back, so it might be that this will now go and starts to retrace. Um, we'll see. Yep, definitely we'll keep an eye on this one. Again, as mentioned, this is how it will look like. For now, I will be just watching it again. Once I will get a new update, I will let you know how it ended up or what I did. Okay? Hello, so welcome back after a couple of hours. Basically, what happened is that I added one more position just up here. Uh, Basically, I saw that, yeah, the trend is slowing down, and well, that's when I check out the higher time frame. So it's around this previous highs where everything begins. So I decided, okay, this might be also a good opportunity to short. So yeah, then so that's the third position I actually opened. I then pushed my take profit a bit higher, so it's above this previous or the first initial um, sell position. So but however, if we will get back here, we'll be still in the same, approximately same profit as it was before, so around €3. Not much after so long time, but yeah, it's still a positive outcome. We almost hit the take profit, but we're not quite there yet, so I decided to still wait. And actually, because we're here in the again the previous resistance zone, I'm wondering if this price will now go back around, these levels, and maybe just I will see rejection of these levels. Maybe there is a potential again push lower. I think I will go and enter another sell position, and just maybe to get a better profit out of this opportunity. So let's see what will actually happen in the next couple of minutes. So if I zoom in, so this is how it looks like at the moment. So you see there was a push down, then we go back up, then again push down. Then so we're now also in this small retracement period. But basically, I would really expect to see now a breakthrough in the downside, maybe even lower, but doesn't matter for me. We're just really trying to get some sort of profitable trade that will come with our take profit target. So okay, we will be waiting for this to end up. Actually, it's quite late today, so I think I will then just wait what will happen. Maybe I will just add a new position. Actually, you know what I will do? Let me grab a alert. Okay, so once the alerts, you know, in place, I will wait if we'll get back there. If not, I will probably think we're just going towards our target. And I will probably then do a separate video where I will just show you how this trade ended up, and yeah, we'll see what will we do next then, because so far, yeah, it looks good, right? Not much really happened actually. Just basically a couple of sell positions. The trade is slowly going into our favor, although yeah, there is this like a small uptrend, but it looks like it's going to be validated, and it might go down right now. Actually, we might see. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to keep this video any longer. I think it's already quite long. Not much is really happening, so um, I will close this for now. I mean the video, not the trade. And yeah, we'll come back again once yeah, I've got some update on how this ended up. I really believe that this might be a good trade, but yeah, we'll see. So far, you don't really know what will happen until it really happened. So from this, um, it will be everything from this video right now. And yeah, see you in the next one when we will see how it ended up and what will be the next step or next trade. Since then, have a great one. Enjoy watching the videos and hopefully get some feedback from you as well, guys. Okay, so thanks a lot and see you.